silent now, we don't say a word.
So I just naired my face. It's not actually nair though, it is the Skin So Soft, Fresh and Smooth Sensitive Skin Facial Hair Removal brand. And I have to leave it on for 8 minutes. But I've heard a lot of stuff about this, and if you put it on your face, make sure to make it go on smoother and just remove all your hair. So I'm trying it. Hopefully it won't break me out really bad, but I've actually never done this before, so I don't know. Hello.
Dusty down here. I don't really.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
What's up, bro? Madison, I need to rinse the medicine.
Okay.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. It's like you could shape this up, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you.
So we just left Walmart. We had to get some stuff for Seth because he is sick. So we got some Powerade and Gatorade and orange juice for Seth, and some milk, some Twix, some Oreos, and I got Seth some Motrin for his fever. So just to give you guys a quick update, yesterday we thought Seth had the flu, so I took him to urgent care. He was having a fever of 103. But he tested negative for the flu, so we got him some Motrin and some orange juice, Gatorade, stuff like that. And so he slept last night in the bedroom, and me and Baylee slept in the living room last night. And then today she went to my granny so that me and Seth could study. So I'm right now going to pick her up while Seth is finishing up his test. But yeah, I pretty much just wanted to update you guys from yesterday because it kind of ended, the vlog kind of ended weird, so I wanted to end it here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?